Today I'm very happy that this seminar on the health, fitness and sports we are conducted. Thanks to Taj Krishna, they sponsored this. Many eminent persons like Chinnapareddy Garu and Gopal Krishna Garu, an IAS officer, and also Rafat Ali Garu, and so many like Bobji Narsimha Rao, test cricketer, and football player Victor Amal Raj, and many people have given the good message to the society. The fitness is required. India is becoming a diabetic capital for the world. I hope that's why the foundation is a small way. We are not only giving coaching at the foundation, but also we are going to the government schools. In we adopted 50 schools, promoting sports among them. By giving the sports material and infrastructure and all. Even though our small organization foundation, without corpus fund, without much funds, we are doing this. About 20,000 children are enjoying that our facility, and we are also promoting them in sports culture, inclination among the sports. We are trying to keep the small tournaments in different schools, government schools especially, government schools and youth, some colleges also we visited. We want to visit more schools and more less privileged places like slum areas. So only we need some funds, because even though government is encouraging, giving ATG and FCRA, but corporate is not, India, it's difficult to get donations for sports in this level. We are also struggling. About 20,000 children already we are helping in different schools and all, especially girls' schools. And as NGO, non-profit organization, we are survived so far with the help of the bureaucrats and government help. And we request corporates to come forward and become a partner to build India through sports for good health among the less privileged. Already we are doing. They can come to us, they can become our partners, and we go to more schools. We want to adopt about 200, 300 schools, but lack of funds, we are not able to go to them. We are very enthusiastic, the Sports Coaching Foundation. We want to go and help more and more less privileged children to take up sports. Through that, they can become a healthy and responsible citizens of the society. And we hope that under CSR this time, the government of India is made it a mandatory. I hope that sports also included in one of the core areas. They can promote sports among them under CSR. And we hope that this time government is helping, bureaucrats are helping, police department is helping. But the corporates has to come with good funding, so that we can help more and more thousands of children we can adopt, and we can do more better work.